How to assign pattern to mixer in FL Studio. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So right over here, we have the channel rec, and I'm just going to drag a random one shot in here. What I want to do is assign this pattern, which I currently do not have, but let's say I do have, to one of these mixer, to pretty much the mixer over here. So in order to do that, what you want to do is go to your sound, and here you have this like bar, and what you can do is drag or scroll with your scroll wheel up and down, and as you can see, that's actually a great example. Depending on what number it is where you add it to. So if I want to have it on 1, then there we go, right? If I just make it empty, it's just on the master pretty much. So obviously, if you have multiple sounds, let's say we're to add a couple of these sounds, then what you can do is just assign them to different mixers, of course. And then here you can, for example, add some reverb and stuff like that. So that is pretty much it. That's how to assign patterns to the mixer in FL Studio.